The first thing you notice isn't the features, it's the sheer mass. At 38.5 kilograms for the combo, this isn't a desk printer unless your desk is reinforced steel. Chassis. Creality moved away from thin extrusions. The K2 Plus uses a die-cast aluminum matrix frame. It feels incredibly rigid, which is necessary when you have a tool head flying at 600 millimeters per second. The build plate. You get a massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter volume. For context, that's nearly 2.5 times the usable volume of a Bambu X1 Carbon. The bed itself is a 5 millimeter thick aluminum alloy plate that stays remarkably flat even when heated to its 120 degrees Celsius limit. Ergonomics. The 4.3-inch touchscreen is responsive, though the user interface still feels a bit more cluttered than the most polished competitors. But here's the thing, while the polycarbonate panels and heavy frames scream premium, the sheer size means it's a spacehog. You lose the cute desktop appliance vibe for a machine that looks like it belongs in a machine shop.